So ito yung 2024 Titanium Territory X Black
Territory Titanium Sport. 1.5 liter EcoBoost automatic. That's 1,625,000.
Okay.
Opo, yan sir. Tapos, ito na yung bagong labas ng variant ng Ford Territory Titanium X.
Kaya nga, pansin ko nga dito parang quiet lunch nga lang to din.
So, kung nakikita niyo sir, very sport siya.
Right.
Futuristic, macho look. Yung difference na sir, kumbaga yung, kung mapapansin nyo, yung grill niya is black. Black grill, black mugs. Tapos, two-tone na rin siya, yun sa mismo unit natin.
Right.
Yan, gray and black. So, yun na yung mismo difference niya sa ibang territory.
Okay. So, mas ito na yung mas mataas sa aside sa top of the line.
Siya yun.
Okay, so 1625.
1,835,000.
Okay.
Saka yung Titanium X, that's
Okay.
1,599,000 po.
Okay. Pwede ba natin pasukan?
Sure, sir.
Tara, let's go. Right, upo kayo sa passenger seat if you want to.
Sige, sir. Pero ano mo kayo?
Sige. Thank you. Right, so I've noticed na ito na pala yung difference nito. Yan yung somehow may dirty white or yung color combination within the dashboard. Tapos yung dito sa sa side moldings natin. Yan. And then ito, I've noticed also na all four doors are automatic up and down. Syempre with the window lock and ayan, to unlock and unlock yung yung natin dito. Central locking is this one. Tapos yung folding, perhaps this one's working. Oh, it isn't. Pero yep, let's try it natin. Alright, try ko na. Actually, ma'am, nakapag-drive na ako dito before eh. Meron akong video nun dati. So, peppy naman yung power niya and pansin ko, ito pala, it seems to be similar yung yung shifter natin.
Yes po. We have rotary e-shifter, electronic parking brake,
right?
auto hold,
Okay.
and then yung sa active park assist, and then front sensor, so pwede mo siyang i-off if you want. And then ito sir, yun sa mismo auto hold, tas
Okay.
ito yung sa mismo
Start stop to, no?
auto start stop.
Okay.
And
Tapos
then volume control, yan sir.
Right.
Meron tayong wireless charging dock, meron pa rin siya, and then for the panoramic moonroof, same pa rin siya for territory Titanium X.
okay.
Lan pero mga susi.
Okay, so plainly ito lang ay isang upgrade trim
Yes.
ng territory, no? Yan, ganyan. Tapos same goes din dito sa sa dashboard natin.
Ayan,
Ito iba to, no?
Meron na siyang, kumbaga sir, orange stitch. Yun yung main difference niya naman niya kailangan.
Okay.
Tapos two-tone na rin siya.
Yung exterior colors natin dito, ma'am, iisa lang ba? Specifically?
Isang color lang naman sir,
Okay.
exterior niya.
Dark gray. Marami naman akong mga kaibigan na mahilig sa dark gray. So that's good.
Lustrous gray. This is lustrous gray. We have crystal pearl white,
Right.
panther black, tapos blue metallic meron din siya. Saka ito po, yung sa mismong lustrous gray natin na color.
Okay. So visually katulad ng pinopromote ng Ford, it's a very sporty looking nga naman.
Sporty look, macho look.
Yan. So hindi na tinipid kasi kala ko exterior color tapos exterior na blackout na side mirrors. Pero walang iniba dito sa loob. That's very good. Tapos
Ayun, sir. So if you want, you can
okay.
start naman ng engine yan.
okay. So
Power adjust naman siya sir, forward.
ayun nga pala, power adjustment nga pala tayo dito.
Forward, backward, and then lumbar support para comfortable kayo sir.
Oh, nga, no?
Drive natin,
Okay.
and then yan sir, adjustment of one sa likod naman.
Right.
Yan sir. Tapos tapak ng brake, start tayo ng engine sir.
Okay, since this is a naman, gasoline engine nga naman, hindi mo masyado maingay. Ito pala yung susi, right before our start. Yan, very simple. I'm looking, tapos tapak sa preno, then engine start. Yan, nice. Okay, so
Ayan, sir.
one whole dashboard na
Yes,
siya, no?
Sa 12 inches monitor niya, tapos
Okay.
meron siyang Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay, and then Android Auto po, compatibility.
Yep.
Meron na siya nun. Tapos, yan sir, kung makikita nyo rito, meron tayo dito yung mismong cruise control. Yan. So, ma-activate mo siya, sir, once na 20 kilometers pataas yung takbo mo, pwede mo nang iset yung sa mismong cruise control natin. So, it's adaptive cruise control
Yep.
po. Kung ano yung speed ng nasa unahan na sasakyan,
Susundin
na-adapt
niya.
ng unit mo.
Yep.
Tapos, we have lane keeping assist. So, safety features to ni Ford, lane keeping assist. Tapos, ayun sir, kumbaga, pagka nagda-drive kayo, tapos nawawala tayo sa linya, o nagsa-self-center yung sa mismong unit natin.
Kumbaga, minamanhid niya yung steering wheel
Yun
mala.
nga lang sir, medyo parang mas naging stiff siya pagka ganun.
Yep.
Tapos ito sir, pwede ka na mag-set ng certain speed mo. Usually, ang adaptive cruise control ginagamit siya for long driving. So, pwede sir, pag nasa NLEX ka, or SLEX, or punta ng province,
Yep.
yun yung advantage niya.
Yep.
Ito sir, pang next, tsaka pang back, yan, pwede po siya. Tapos ito yung meron tayong settings dyan, setting control active, and then we also have audio control active po.
Right.
So, ito sir, yan, volume control, or pwede mo siyang i-mute po. Pwede
So technically, sa right is yung audio control system,
Opo,
and then yung yung cruise control.
Yes.
Okay, nice. And EPS na tayo dito, obviously, kahit hindi ko naiikot
Yes,
yan
sir.
eh.
Tapos yung sa stock niya, ito yan, yung off,
Oh.
sa auto headlamp,
Okay.
park light, and then headlight po.
Right.
So sa headlight, meron tayong additional fog lamps, ayan.
Okay.
Ito yung pag-off, and then fog lamp sa harap,
Yep.
and then this one is yung
Rear fog lights.
Rear fog lamps.
Okay, that's nice. Since ito ay umaandar na, and just like kanina sinabi niyo ma'am, no, Android Auto na, Apple CarPlay na siya.
Yes.
Kapag top of the line nga pala yung iPhone ninyo, ayan, saksak nyo lang dito. Hindi nyo isasaksak, papatong nyo lang dito. And then, ting, ganun na lang.
Yes.
Fully charged na siya. And, do you mind na, ikot lang natin ng
Sure,
sunod
sir.
bit? Okay. So, ayan, may mga ambient lighting tayo dito. Ayan, really nice. Tapos, let's close the door just for a bit. Ayan, tingnan natin yung tail lights. Ayan, tail lights. There you go. Tail lights. Tapos yung territory, blacked out na rin yung natin. Then, automatic yung natin dyan. Yep. Ito ba yung may foot na
Hands-free po.
meron din? Okay. Yan.
Sir, yan. Power tail dito siya.
Right.
Automatic na.
Adjustable to guys mas may preset na. Yep.
For the spare tire,
Spare
so
tire.
yan. Nandiyan po siya. Then natin po. Nandiyan din siya.
Okay.
So, very spacious. Spacious sa sir.
Ah.
Sa territory na to. Yeah.
Okay. Yan. So, just press this one. Yan. In the lift gate. Yan. Tapos full LEDs na tayo dito. Yan. Yung pasensya na guys dun sa camera ko, hindi nagbibigay na justice yung kung gaano katingkad yung tail lights natin. And then syempre, blacked out mags na siya. Yan.
Yes, sir.
Ito yung difference between this one tapos doon sa model na
Yes, yes.
nandun, titanium. Okay, keyless entry, tapos blacked out na rin yung natin, yung lower side, yung lower skirts.
Yes.
Tapos yan,
360
and
camera, sir.
ayan nga pala.
With 360 camera,
Right.
tutong for territory titanium.
Yep. Tapos yan yung going into the headlights. Yan, very sharp looking headlights. Ito pala yung headlights guys Ito yung daytime running lights na. Okay, pamalito kayo eh. Yan. Tapos yan yung natin, yung very sharp designing blackout grille. Tapos yan, yun lang naman, and all to bells and whistles. Tapos meron tayong keyless entry. So keyless entry is pag hinawakan ko ba ito, mag-aanak ba yung sasakyan?
Automatic po.
Okay, so ito yung sa lock. Okay, I think we're good to go naman dito na umaandar. So we can shut it off. Hindi mo na kailangan yung preno, but na-OOC ako. So yan, yung pala yung air conditioning dito kanina. Tsaka yung air conditioning dito, touch sensitive siya. Pwede na tayo mag-move on dito sa sa passenger.
Passengers. So ito sir, very spacious.
Yan. Yep, very spacious. Yung headroom niya is walang problema sa akin actually. Yan, as a height of 5'5", kasyang-kasya ako dito. Pero ayan.
Then meron din tayo sir, cup holder ko sa center.
Yep, cup holders na. Kasi kahit hindi mo na ibaba, kung alam na naman nila
Alam naman
yung,
nila.
yung itsura ng cup holder. But before ako sumakay dyan, ayan, ito yung natin, gas tank. Yung gas tank nila guys dito, pupush nyo to Tapos, just to give you a notice, pagka nilock mo to, hindi nyo to mabubuksan. Yan, so yan. Okay. Next naman is, sige, pasok muna ako dito na onte. Just slide. Yan. Okay. Very nice. Okay, pagka-aandar lang pala yung sasakyan, dito lang pala bubukas yung mga ilaw natin. Tapos meron pa pala ditong napansin na aircon vents. USB port. Okay. Ano to? Parang fast charging na rin to.
Fast charging ako.
Oh, nice. Okay. Yung masyadong ganun pero ayun nga pala, sayang pala hindi natin na demo yung sunroof pala.
The panoramic moonroof.
Panoramic moonroof. Sinabing panoramic hanggang dulo na. Tapos yung orange stitching still continues hanggang dito sa headrest, dun sa pintuan, sa mga sidings natin. Yon. Di ko na napansin kung meron. Ito meron pa ng ambient lighting din to. Yan. Yan. Tapos may mga a bit of a tweeters dito. And then dark and chrome na door opener. Well, yan may mga a bit of a storage lang din dito. Tapos yan. Just into that. Tapos the last thing is pwede ba natin masilip yung makina? Yan na. Okay. Right. Okay. Blacked out everything. I really like this one na may mga tiniran. Ay, joke lang. Ano po to? Sticker? Okay, sticker. So, pero everything is blacked out. Yan. Hindi mo nga rin titipirin, diba?
So, hydraulic na rin siya.
Nice. Okay.
So, lagayan ng tubig sa wiper,
Yep.
dipstick,
Yep.
brake fluid, and then battery po. For territory, it is 5 years warranty po. 5 years warranty sa amin na yun po. Tapos, free labor tayo for first 10,000 kilometers.
Nice.
Free check up namin.
That, kasama yung change oil.
Yes,
Okay,
change oil.
Ah. Nice. Free labor. Ayan. Ito yung EcoBoost engine. Probably 1.5 to, no?
1.5
Turbocharge.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nice. Ano pa rin transmission natin? Kalimutan ko.
Just to give you a heads up notice, nga pala 7-speed dual clutch transmission. So yan, nakakalimutan lang namin, but yun yung transmission niya, guys.
And balik na tayo dito. Ford battery Nice. Okay. May in-house battery talaga sila. Hindi sila lumabas.
Sabi ko lang mag-brand po.
Kaya ako lang. Hindi kasi Ford battery talaga. Oh. We have hindi na tayo sure kung 1SM or 2SM. Probably this is a 1SM FX. And everything is takip. Mag-ingat na lang kayo kapag mag-engine detail wash kasi may mga sensors dito na a bit of expose. Basta meron dito, yan, mag-ingat na lang kasi nakaka-tempt engine wash to kasi daming plastic eh. So yan, yung natin, yan yung reservoir ng coolant, no? Tama?
Yes, sir. Engine coolant.
Yan. Ito na yung, wala na siyang radiator cap. Pansin nyo? Yan. Kasi yun na yung radiator cap.
Yes, sir.
So, yan. Kasi, just to explain, sana tama lang yung sinasabi ko. Yung sa US kasi may nangingialam ng radiator cap.
Okay.
So, gumagana, nagsisparkle sila, unfortunately. So, I know, ganyan din yung nangyayari kasi may nangangialam yan. But, yan, dito naman sa Pilipinas, mukha naman disiplinado yung mga tao dito. Ayun nilang pakialaman yan eh. So, yan. I don't know where the turbo is. So, comment down below kung saan siya malolocate. But, yan. And I think this is front wheel drive. Front wheel drive na siya. I'm really impressed dito. Yung hydraulic.
Hydraulic na siya, sir.
Ah.
Very convenient na rin siya. Open.
Ayan, sige. Alam mo na isarado. So, since ito isosoli ko na yung susi ng territory, like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. And yung phone number ni Ma'am Janina ilalagay ko na lang dyan. Ayan. Kasi we're going to do another part series. It will be this one, this Ford Everest. Ito nga pala yung dating top of the line yung the time na na-release yung Ford Territory. Ayan. Okay, ito yung natin yung sa dashboard. See the difference. Tapos may pagka navy blue yung stitching natin dito. Here's the steering wheel right over there. Same 3-spoke steering wheel. The same rotary shifter natin dito. Yung volume buttons natin. The same infotainment system that we have. Yeah. Tapos wood graining nga pala yung neto. Yung trims natin dito for the dashboard. Same goes with the side doors. Side paneling pala natin dito. My apologies. Tapos yan yung natin yung darkened chrome na door handles dito in the inside. Door latches. Obviously, this is your paint. Coded na dito sa side mirror housings. 360 camera. And nga pala, ito yung itsura ng mags ng Ford Territory kapag hindi siya blacked out. Yan. Yung itsura niyan. Kasi the last time na tinest drive ko kasi, hindi. I think it was this one. Yeah, I can't remember kung anong trim yung na-test drive ko. So, yeah. Probably it was this trim nga pala. So, I want to check onto that old video with Sir Gilbert onto that. Yan. Stitches over here. The same feature with the power adjustment. And syempre, dito tayo sa likod. Just to give you a heads up notice. Yan. Tapos, iba yung ano natin, yung roof lining dito. May pagka, grayish siya na, color. And there you go with the air louvers at the back dito sa may, center console. Yan. And then, if we're going to check this one, yep, it is automatic up and down. Lahat ng mga windows niyon, primarily. And then, let's shut the door. And just give you a heads up dito sa may sa may likod. Chrome nga pala yung nito, territory emblem. Then let's see if we can activate it here. Yep, probably this one. Yan. Tapos it goes up. Tapos yun yung natin, the button to close it down. And it's just literally the same. There's the spare tire, there's the jack right over there, and this is the early warning device. It's time to close it up. And tapos meron tayong small lamp dito. Those are obviously halogen lamps. Yan. Tapos may cover shade tayo dito just to protect the privacy, and syempre baka mami may laptop dito, tatakak din yan. Just to press this one, and it automatically goes down. And I kind of like this color. It kind of gives you a premium look onto the vehicle. Yep. And yan, nagbabang siya since yung rear door AHR is completely going to close this one. So, but needless to say, ito ang Ford Territory, the top of the line version of this one. And thank you very much, guys. Thank you for the support. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yun lang.